If you are a reseller and you haven't grabbed my free Rebecca the Reseller resources guide yet, you are leaving money on the table and missing out on some really good stuff. This one free PDF can help you make more money on Poshmark and increase your Poshmark sales. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. Today, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into my guide so that way you know exactly what you don't have if you haven't downloaded it yet. And if you have downloaded it but haven't gotten into it, now you'll know exactly what to be looking for. So let's go ahead and get into the reseller resource guide so you can see how it can help you boost your sales. And if you haven't gotten it yet, drop a comment down below, say RRG, and I will send you the link to the free reseller resource guide. So diving in, this is like over 20 pages. So if you print it out, it's gonna be like 20 pages. I don't suggest printing it out. I actually suggest using it as an electronic guide that you can go into and utilize to find what you're looking for, because there's a lot of links in here that obviously if you print it out, it's not going to be helpful to you. So in the beginning, I just have a little message. It kind of gives you like a quick little table of contents so you know what's laid out. I do have some photos and things to kind of help break it up and, you know, keep it interesting. So it's not just text and it's not just photos. It's a little bit of both. But again, there are a lot of links. So if you are someone that has watched my videos, you know that I recommend to you all of my favorite partners. So first up are all of my partners that I recommend, because a lot of times people are just looking for that quick link and they want it really fast. So up front, I have quick links and it just has all of those in there. So Posher VA, Vendoo, Helpsy Source, which is now New Source, which I will get around to updating all of it. All of the links still work. Rakuten and all of the different partners that I use that I recommend. Then it also has links to the Amazon store and all of the Amazon favorites for your reseller tools and equipment and stuff like that, your ring lights, your scale, all of that stuff. It has a link to my Teachable, where you should have already been in order to get the reseller resource guide, and shows you my courses, my digital downloads, things like that. But it also gives you my Etsy shop. So if you don't want to purchase things on Teachable, you just wanted to get the free guide on Teachable, but you want to use your Etsy account to get some of my digital downloads, you can get digital downloads on Etsy. What you can't get on Etsy are the courses. Courses are only in Teachable because they're so large and so many video files. It does also show you Rebecca the Reseller Press. So I did create some paper tools. I should have had them handy. Here there. I have some printed things that you can order from Amazon, like the reseller to-do list, so that you can keep track of your tasks every day, but it's specific to resellers. I have just like small business notebooks. I have the reseller mileage log, and I have the reseller affirmations journal. So I have a bunch of different paper things that you can order from Amazon to help you with your business. So those are available as well. And then it just gives you links for all kinds of stuff. It does give you a link to the best value bundle, which is where all of my courses and all of my digital downloads are. So that's in there as well. Now, getting into like the actual helpful things, because people usually are looking for this to get a lot of quick links and how do I find this? How do I find that? So all of that's up front, as well as my coaching. Then I have my video library, which is probably one of the most helpful things, because I've been a YouTuber now for, it's over 5 years. I don't know how many years over 5 years. And so I have over 500 or even over 600 videos on my channel. And it is hard for people to find what they're looking for to help them with the specific thing that they're trying to solve in their business. So what I created was the Rebecca the Reseller video library. And basically it is a list by topic in alphabetical order of all of the kinds of things that you might be looking for help with, and the video link. So again, if you print it out, this is not helpful to you. But if you have it up on your computer, you can click on all of these links that will take you straight to YouTube, and you can learn what I have to say and what my advice is and what my thoughts are on basically any topic that I have covered over the last however many years. So like if you want to know about having a second Poshmark closet, I have a video for that. If you want a review of Bazaar, the source for inventory, I have a video for that. If you want to know about boutique, I have a whole playlist for that. If you want to know about bundles, I have multiple videos for that. If you want to know about buy, sell, trade stores, I have that. Consistency, I have it. Equipment, planning, Helpsy reviews, hiring a photographer, inventory systems, keyword research, live shows, lowball offers, measurements, like it's all here in alphabetical order. Poshmark cases, Posher VA setup, Poshmark closet names, Poshmark closet signs, stale inventory, like everything's here. So that's probably the most helpful part of it for someone who is new, or even somebody who's not new but just says like, hey, I'm struggling with this area of my business. I bet you she has a video on it. How do I get to it? That's how you find it, because you can just scan through in alphabetical order all the different topics and see if I have a video for it. Now, I have hundreds of videos, so I have more videos than even what's here, but these are just some of those like main topics that people constantly ask about. If you go through that and you don't find one, you can always ask me in a comment on any video, hey, Rebecca, do you have a video on this? And I will tell you. And I'll send you the link. So don't worry about it. Next up are specific links to specific products on Amazon that I recommend. So if you're like, I need box lights, I have the link. If you want command hooks to replicate the setup that I have with my photo backdrop paper and the command hook for my photo setup, I have all of that. So whatever you are looking for, there's a list grouped by topic. So like here's for photo setup, here's for inventory prep, here's for shipping, here's for inventory system. So all of those items that I recommend, those are grouped in a way that would be helpful to you. I have a book club. This didn't print out so good, but I have a book club. So all of the books that I have read and that I recommend that are just good business books, I have those there. I talk about my blog, which is on Medium. So that's available if you are a reader and you want to check out my stuff, not just in video form, but in, readable form on a blog. That is available there. I have links to all of my playlists. So if you are looking for a buddy to work with you while you are working and taking photographs, let's say, or listing, just pick up one of my playlists that you are interested in, put it on and let it run and listen to everything I have to say on that topic so that I can work with you. And then I just have more about learning with me. So the courses that I have available, I have 4 different courses. I have over 20 digital downloads. Those are all available. I have Poshmark closet reviews that are custom videos for you. And then I have one-on-one telephone coaching available. So this just kind of explains a little bit more about that if that's something that you're thinking about. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs, everything that I have created, and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. I do have the link to all of the videos that I have done for Vendu, because I used to be on Vendu's channel quite often making videos for them. And so there are a list of videos over there if you want to check them out. They're not on my channel, but they're me on their channel and they're helpful topics. So that's available as well. And then I have some different merchant things, which I showcase. Again, that's neither here nor there. Not everybody's interested in that kind of thing, but some people are. And then I have an area which is all of the secondary partners that I have. So like if you want poly mailers, I have GyroPack, I have Sticker Mule. So I have discount codes for all of that. And that's in the section, all the deals. So it's just basically all of the discount codes that I offer to you, any free trial, any 20% off, whatever discount it is, they're all in one place so you can find them. And then I do have some things towards the end, which are like beyond reselling. So the side hustles that I have that make money outside of reselling, I share them with you here if that's something that you're interested in. There are some lifestyle products and services that I use that I make available to you as an entrepreneur if you're interested in. So there's just some other things here that I include as some bonuses. But this is jam-packed with information for you. And I do go in, and the reason why it's not a PDF, because a lot of people ask me, like, why isn't it a PDF? It's because I change it all the time. So I go in and update new partners. I go update and add videos to the video library. There's a whole segment of things that I want to add in the coming weeks and months that I plan on adding. So my goal for you is to, if you haven't downloaded the Reseller Resource Guide, it basically means putting your email address into my Teachable platform to get access. It's starting a free account with Teachable so that you can access the download, and then I can send you emails going forward, which I don't do very often. From time to time, I send you different updates. But when you are in that system, you'll get a link to the guide. The guide is actually like, it's kind of like a website. So I can update it anytime and the changes reflect it. So like you could check this once a month, put a little note on your phone at the beginning of the month to check and see if there's anything new in there. I may figure out a way to, like, as I make updates, if I know that I'm gonna make them more regular, maybe I'll make an announcement that I've made an update so that you know to go in and check it. But if you haven't gotten it, number one, go get it. If you have gotten it, but you haven't really dug into it or used it or done anything with it, go do that. And if you have gotten it, but you haven't used it in a while, now's a good time to go back and check and see, because I did update the library and there are a lot of new things in here. So that's the free Reseller Resource Guide. Again, it's a huge document. I don't recommend printing it out. Use it on the computer, access all the links to help you with your business, access the free reseller library of all of the tips and information that I share with you completely for free. This is everything that I create for you all the time. So I want you to be able to access, like, I want people to be able to watch the videos. The algorithms sometimes are such that, you know, I made it a while ago, maybe it wasn't my best video, but the information in there is exactly what you need right now. So like, it's never going to get sent to you on YouTube. Maybe you're not even subscribed to me, who knows? But go ahead and get your free Reseller Resource Guide. Just go ahead and type RRG down in the comments and I will send you the link. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Posher VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Posher VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.